Hello guys, welcome to your 8th C++0. In this lesson we're going to do switch statement. The switch works just like the if else statement, but it can come in very handy when you have to switch on a constant against a whole lot of conditions or checks. So let's do this. Let me just use the grading system to do that. Declare variable. First declare variable grade, and it's a character variable. Prompt the user to enter this grade. Please enter the your grade is fine. Enter your grade. Okay, take this grade in, drop that into the grade variable. As easy as that. The next thing, I'll switch on this grade. Okay, so switch, this is the switch statement, this is the syntax for switch. You switch on the grade. Now when I switch on the grade, there's gonna be one of these cases. Okay, so the first case is this. Is it an A? Is the grade an A? If it's an A, I'm gonna display excellent. How about that? Excellent. Let me add some more. You are marvelous. How do we spell marvelous these days? Marvelous, I think is this. You are marvelous. Okay, yeah, let me still drop my exclamation, like it more, and then the line. Okay, so after that I'm going to break. Good. Now remember to drop the break. It's very important. If we don't put this break here, it means the first statement to be executed, the next one will be executed as well. And if we don't drop the break there again, that one too will be executed, the next one will be executed, so it will be executed continuously. Just like how we saw our if statements, different if statements were executed, all of them were executed. So if you want this to work like the if else, you have to add the break. So when it encounters the break, it's going to just break out of the switch statement. Just like the if else, if it gets to a particular statement that executes it through, it's going to move out of the if else statement after executing that particular statement. So the next one is B, and if it's B, what do we say? Very good, but can offer more. Yeah, some really good encouragement speeches here, and we break out of that. So if that one is executed, then we break, so the rest of them won't be executed. We're going to switch on the grade that we entered against all of these cases. And remember, the switch statement, it works with constant cases. You get it? These have to be constants. With other programming languages, it would allow you to even use strings and more stuff that are not just constants, but in C++ it's somewhat limited. So the next one, C, let me drop good. You can do better. You can do better. And just okay. Then I break there. Case. Next one, D. Let me see. Let me drop credit. How about that? Credit. You give some comma here. You should sit up. Let me put sit up. Now I don't even know what to give to the F person. Looks like I've used almost all the terms now. So if someone gets an F, as in the case, okay, case E. Here this is E. And also remember this, I'm not using string, these are not string templates. I'm not using double quotes, this is single quotes for a character, a single character. If you use a double quote, that will give you an error because we are switching on the grade, which is a car, and car takes in single quotes. So if it is A, I'll just say passed. You narrowly did it. Narrowly did it. How about made it? Let me made it. And if it's F, or break. What if it's F? If it's F, then I'm going to say you really need to get out of your comfort zone and let me break him and do real work. So there, yes, there, and break. Now with the if else, we have something called the else. As we saw in the previous tutorials, when the other statements don't execute and we drop the else, that must be the statement to be executed. So here the default works in that place. So if all of these statements happens not to be true, then the default one should be executed. So if the person's grade drops down to this point, I will just tell the person you have entered an invalid grade. Okay, and we leave and the line there. Good. So this is it. And so what do we have here? Yes, so I think we are good to go. We're now switching on the grade. We've entered the grade, switch on the grade, check for these cases, and in any case that all of these don't work, then we move to our default statement, and that is it. So let's execute this and see if we have any errors. No, we don't. So it says enter grade, and this is also case sensitive. If I happen to mention that in the previous tutorial, it's case sensitive as always. So let me enter A. It says excellent, you are marvelous, thank you. And I'll enter something else. How about I enter A? Okay, says you have entered an invalid age. Because it can't find it within all of these, any of these cases, it goes straight to execute this. Okay, so let me enter F and see. F says you really need to get out of your comfort zone and do real work. Thank you. Alright, I will do that. So this is it for the switch statement, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.